Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by parking the Access 125 on its center stand and switching the ignition off, safety first. Once done, clear workspace and lay out the 10mm and 12mm sockets, screwdrivers, torque wrench, and the new roller kit. Remove the glove box panel to access the CVT cover. Use photos to record belt orientation. You should inspect the belt for glazing or cracks. This tells you if rollers caused wear. Now loosen CVT cover bolts in a crisscross pattern. Then remove the cover gently to reveal the variator and rollers. You will now lock the variator and loosen the central nut. Use a variator holder tool or an assistant to prevent rotation. Once the nut is removed, slide the variator assembly off carefully, keeping track of washers and spacers. Pull out the old rollers from their slots, measure them against the new rollers, and confirm identical diameter and weight. Insert each new roller into the ramp groove, making sure they seat flat and rotate freely. Reassemble the variator exactly as removed, keeping parts in original order to preserve drive geometry. You finish by reassembling the variator, torquing the central nut to the manufacturer spec, replace any cover gasket, and torque CVT cover bolts evenly. Reinstall the glove box panel and remove tools. Start the scooter, let it idle, then perform a short low-speed test ride to check acceleration and listen for unusual noises. If you feel vibration or poor acceleration, stop and recheck roller weights, belt condition, and that the nut was torqued correctly. Misweight or loose hardware is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.